Hi friends, so this video shows how to SSH to a virtual machine using Google Cloud SDK gcloud. So first we need to install Google Cloud SDK in your laptop or PC. So after that just run this command gcloud compute instances list. So this will list all the virtual machines which you created in your Google Cloud account. So in my case, you can see these many virtual machines. So you can SSH to one of the virtual machine using this command gcloud compute SSH the name of the virtual machine. So it's the first time I am going to log in. That is why it's asking for passphrase. Okay, done. So this way we can SSH to a virtual machine using Google Cloud SDK gcloud. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment. You can refer one of my previous video about how to install Google Cloud SDK